Unlocking algebra. Solving two-step linear equations. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of algebra. We'll focus on solving two-step linear equations. If you've ever wondered how to tackle these problems or want a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Two-step linear equations are mathematical statements that involve an unknown value, often represented as x, which requires two operations, like addition and multiplication, or subtraction and division, to be solved. For example, x plus 5 equals 9x plus 5 equals 9x plus 5 equals 9. Here, to solve for x, we'd have to perform two steps. Subtract 5 from both sides, and then identify the value of x. Let's use the equation 2x plus 3 equals 72x plus 3 equals 72x plus 3 equals 7 as an example. 1. Isolate the variable. This means you'll want to get x on one side of the equation. 2. First, subtract 3 from both sides. This gives 2x equals 42x equals 42x equals 4. 3. Solve for the variable 4. Now, divide both sides by 2 to get x equals 2x equals 2x equals 2. So, the solution to the equation 2x plus 3 equals 72x plus 3 equals 72x plus 3 equals 7 is x equals 2x equals 2x equals 2. 1. Reversing the order. Always remember to isolate the variable first, then solve for it. Don't jump steps. 2. Forgetting to perform the operation on both sides. If you add, subtract, multiply, or divide one side, you must do the same to the other. 3. Not checking your solution. Always plug your solution back into the original equation to ensure it's correct. There you have it. Two-step linear equations may seem daunting at first, but with practice and understanding of the core steps, you'll be solving them in no time. I hope this video has been enlightening. Keep practicing and remember, every algebraic problem is just a puzzle waiting to be solved. Until next time, happy learning!